What up, y'all? Back with another free session. All right, so here's another currency pair. I just trade straight forex. I've been doing this since like 2004. Trading stocks in '04. Of course, I did real estate before. Now stocks. Then I went to currencies. I've been doing currencies ever since. This is just binary currency. So binaries is just like the word says, binaries. It's ones or zeros. So you either win or you lose. Period. It's a zero-sum market. It's not like the stock market where it's like a buy bias. With binaries and with forex in general, you can make money going either way, up or down, because you're trading a ratio, not a value, but a ratio between two pairs. Okay. So I'm just gonna pick whichever one has the highest return. Here we're looking at what's that, like 83%. So return on investment will be 83. You see this one, the USD against the RUB. That's the dollar versus the Russian ruble. OTC stands for over the counter. So basically what it's saying is the broker is providing the liquidity. There's not enough liquidity within the market for the brokers to just trade it straight off of volatility. So it's providing liquidity for you through the market. So through the broker's firm. So basically you're trading against the broker. Some people don't like to do that. I don't really mind. It doesn't matter. The same fundamentals apply, except it can be easily manipulated, right? Because it's the broker who's determining the price, not the market at large itself, right? So if you're new to trading, I wouldn't really trade OTC, over the counter, because it can be easily manipulated. So we're gonna go with this is a CHFJPY. That's actually the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. So we're gonna go look at that one, see if we got any type of patterns established. We'll go to 30-second. Swiss francs, Japanese yen. The next one is the dollar, or the euro against the dollar, euro USD. It's still at like 81% return on investment. So that's still pretty good. And if you see here, we got like a straight little bull run going on. Not a bull run, but within the chart itself, right? So let's just pick any indicator. So before we pick the accelerator, oscillator, so we're just gonna go with ADX. I don't even know what half of these things are. It really doesn't matter. It just gives you a visual of price action. So let's see, let's analyze this real quick. See what we got here. This is more of a long-term thing, but if you look here, when there's separation, every time there's separation between this yellow and blue, we get a movement up. See, we had a separation cross the other way. I guess it could be thought of as a moving average of sorts. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the buy, boom, because we do have that separation. And we got our time at 1 minute and 8 seconds. So I will open this up so you can see the trade. So currently we got 30 seconds left. Now, since Pocket Options doesn't offer rollover, you can actually go in with another trade, right? So you can go in now, or you can wait until the trade is over. I like to kind of wait because it doesn't make me over leverage. So we have it's moving back down, but I'm gonna just go ahead and sit this out, see if we take the loss. We might get a push back up and cross into profit and clear. So we still got 20 seconds left. So we'll just wait that out. I'm gonna go ahead and go into sell now because I already see what's happening. So we got our sell, and what we got going here, let's see if we can find some drawings. There we go. Got a array stick. We'll just put that here. That's kind of like will be our support. So with the sell, that's where it would more than likely bounce off of. So we're gonna stick this one out. We'll ride the sell out, and we should be clear all the way down to the support level here. Let's see what we got. All right, for any of y'all doubting,
Yo,
boss lady right here gonna let you know.
I'm gonna let y'all know. There's a lot of people that's skeptical, but you could either be skeptical or you could be rich. And
So the buy did not end successful. And so we got a small little pullback. We still got about 40 seconds left. And this is just using any indicator. So I'm just going to do this pretty much every day. Let's see what we got. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 30 indicators. So we could just do this every day. So we got a strong push up here. Yeah, we got a very strong push up. So if you look at this drawing, right? Check it out. Look right here, right? This joint, it broke through the top. So what we had here, this is what you call a wedge. It's a wedge or a flag, you know what I mean, depend on when you started trading. They got different names for it, but it's pretty much saying the same thing. So basically what it's saying is like up top, we got a lot of resistance. Boom, you see it hits the resistance, comes back down to support, bounce back up to that resistance again, comes back down. So what's forming is like a wedge or like a flag. So if you ever see a flag, those are angular flags, you know, straight at the top, angles up. Or it could be straight at the bottom, you know, with the angle coming down. But on this case, it's the angle is going up. So you want to go with that buy, which would be like the momentum. So basically, we got 10 seconds left for these set of trades. And it is what it is. So boom, there you go. We're in profit again. Any random indicator, you know what I'm saying? This is what I do, man. I am savage, nigga. Don't get it twisted. So that's it. So tomorrow we'll do another joint, and that's what's that. And so all of this is free, man. I'm gonna show y'all really how to tweak the so if you open this up down here, right? You get your data entries, your inputs. So you can change these data inputs. I'll just show you real quick. So if you change these data inputs, you get a different visual, right? See how the comparisons change? So later on, I'll show you how to use that, changing the data, you know, for your benefit. Depends on what you're doing. See how we got more action down here once I change the data. So yeah, that's that. So you don't really need to mess with it that much until you start layering other indicators on top of each other, which will give you a stronger signal for whatever buys and entries that you're doing. Deuces.